In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply alternating colors in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet is packed with numbers or long lists, alternating colors can make it much easier to read at a glance. It adds a subtle banded effect to your rows, helping your eyes track information across the sheet without losing your place. Let's walk through it clearly and simply. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the range of rows you want to format. You can click and drag to highlight a specific area, or, if you want the effect across the entire sheet, select all cells first. Make sure your selection is one continuous block, because alternating colors works best on a single rectangular range. If you have a header row with labels like name, date, or total, include that in your selection so you can style it differently in a moment. Now, go to the top toolbar, click on the Format menu, and choose Alternating Colors. As soon as you do, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. This panel shows default color options and a live preview right in your sheet, so you can see exactly how the rows will look. From here, you can pick one of the preset styles if you want something quick and polished. These presets are designed for clarity and contrast. If you prefer full control, customize your own colors for the header and rows. Aim for a light shade for one row and a slightly darker shade for the next to keep the pattern subtle but effective. High contrast helps readability, but avoid colors that are too intense, which can be distracting. Look for the option labeled Header in the panel. If your top row contains column titles, keep this box checked so the header gets its own distinct color. If your selection doesn't include a header, or you don't want the top row styled differently, uncheck it. The preview will update immediately, making it easy to decide what looks best. When you're happy with the style, click Done. Your rows will now alternate colors automatically. The best part is that this formatting is dynamic. As you add new entries, insert rows, or remove data within that range, the banding adjusts on its own to stay consistent. It's a visual aid only, so it won't change your data or formulas, just the way they're presented. And that's all it takes. With a good color choice and a clear header, your sheet becomes more readable and professional in seconds.